You are an experiment in consciousness. Your life is mapped in your divine soul blueprint. It creates each moment of your experience on earth, which is optimal for your soul's growth. It offers clues to why you are alive and answers to life's big questions, the biggest of all, what am I? The secrets of the blueprint of your soul are encoded primarily within your birth name. When you decode your spiritual map, you can align with and manifest your life purpose and come into your natural flow. Connecting and aligning with this purpose is the key to manifesting a higher state of consciousness and a more blissful state of being. We move into the synchronicity of our life through 1. Leveraging our divine gifts. 2. Rising above our challenges in life. 3. Manifesting our true purpose. Consciously transmuting any negative patterns imprinted in our soul blueprint, which is the result of negative choices we made, will shift our life path and we feel more deeply connected with the natural flow of life force energy. Do not worry how you will ever get there. The universe will make way. Things will reposition themselves. Mountains will move to make way for you. Because you call forth your destiny. Because you are source energy. When you create a clear image of the life you want to experience, visualize it vividly. Fill it with elevated emotions. You will make the quanta in the universe move and rearrange themselves to transform your image into reality. Because you are one with all that is, you are it. Everyone will eventually awaken to the truth that we are one source energy powering all of life. We are each a spark of the one and therefore divine. We are spiritual beings having a temporary human experience while in physical forms. We are one with the one. There is only one consciousness. There is only one presence. There is only one existence that expanded itself in 7 billion human expressions and so much more. We can choose to awaken now or repeat the same karmic cycle over subsequent lifetimes. Know thyself. The truth will set you free. Thank you for watching.